Hello student, fifth question for the puzzle. So 3, 5, 13, 6, 9, 52. So it means we have to do some mathematical operation between the first two number and then we get the third number. So if we multiply this first two numbers, so 3 5s are 15 and 15 minus 2 is 13. Same logic is there. 6 9s are 54. Yes. So what we can do, this 3 into 5, 15 minus 2, it should be 36. 6 into 9, 54 minus 2 is 52. Similar way, 7 8s are minus 2, so the answer is 54. 8 7s are 56, minus 2 is 54, so we will go with this third option, C, 54. I think this puzzle is understand by each and everyone. Thank you.